Tradovate is a futures trading platform, and is it free? The short answer is yes and no. You can open a Tradovate account and use its platform tools under a free plan. Tradovate states that new users are put on a free plan by default. That means you can access the web, desktop, and mobile experience without paying a monthly platform fee right away. But free does not mean zero-cost trading. When you place live futures trades, you still pay trading costs. These can include commission structure choices, exchange fees, clearing fees, and market data subscriptions, depending on what you trade and how your account is set up. So even if the platform plan is free, active trading is not fully free. Tradovate also offers paid membership options for traders who want different pricing structures. Usually, the idea is simple. Pay a monthly membership, and in return, you may reduce per-trade commission costs. This can make sense for high-volume traders, but it may not be worth it if you trade less often. If you are a beginner, a smart way to look at this is, the platform access can be free. Real trading still has costs. Paid plans can lower costs for frequent traders. Before you fund an account, check 3 things inside Tradovate's current pricing pages: your per-side commission setup, your market data package, and any monthly membership charge. That gives you your real monthly cost, not just the marketing headline. So, is Tradovate free? It is free to start using the platform, but not truly free once you are trading live markets. One more tip. Compare Tradovate with at least one other futures broker before deciding. Look at total round turn cost on the exact contract you trade most, not advertised number. Also check whether your strategy needs real-time depth data, because data bundles can change your monthly spend quickly. If your volume grows later, you can move from the free plan to a paid membership and recalculate. Start simple, measure, then optimize based on real trading activity. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.